Welcome to Art Clay channel. In this video, you can see how to use Art Clay exclusive silicone mold for ring making. Firstly, apply food oil in the texture design and upper flat surface of the mold. Reference of appropriate weight and thickness of the clay is explained in the instruction sheet. Take suggest volume of Art Clay silver clay type and make a rope. Make the rope in the same thickness as the reference in the instruction sheet. Push it into the mold with your fingers. One easy tip here is to open wide the mold, then make sure to push the clay in the corner and the detailed design. Check from the back if the mold is filled up with the clay completely. Moisten the surface of the clay, and scrape off excess clay with toothpick. This makes less working process for making a beautiful ring band later. Widen the mold edges, to separate the clay from it. Then take out the clay slowly from the edge. Next step is to attach the clay around a wooden mandrel. Moisten a stick note around a wooden mandrel. Press one end of the clay, to start rolling slowly around, as holding the other end. Try not to touch the molded texture too much. Cut out excess clay with a craft knife. Apply a plenty amount of Art Clay silver paste between the edges to join. Spread and smooth excess paste on the surface with a paintbrush and dry. After the piece is dried completely, fire and finish as you like.